Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. I'm excited. Today, look at this view. I mean, it's just stunning. You can see the intracoastal, the lagoon, the bay. You don't get that very often, so.
Can't wait to check out this great lakefront condo you have.
Yes, let's go.
Hey there, we are in this great 2-bedroom bunk unit at Laketown Warf. As you can see, we have an eat-in kitchen with a great center island, granite. I love the flooring throughout the main areas. You don't have to worry about sand. You've got this nice tile that looks like wooden plank, very in style, chic, and fits with every decor. When we move into the main space, you've got a really great view over the balcony, lakefront. You can see multiple waterways. It's really a great space. Let's go see what Heather has found over in the bedrooms.
Welcome to this expansive ensuite. What's so great about this unit is you have almost 1,300 square feet, which is practically unheard of. This bedroom, as you can see, is so large. It's got a chest and a dresser, plenty of extra space with this king bed. And what's great about this is not only do you have the view from the living space, but you also have the same view of all of the different types of waters right here from your pillow. And a little extra special at this complex, every night there is a water show and you can just sit out on the balcony and enjoy that. Now, in this unit, you do have the 2 bedrooms plus a separate bunk room. And of course, this main bedroom has an ensuite. Check it out. So for more information, look in the description below for the listing link to get all the fine details.
And make sure you hit subscribe, ring that bell. Don't miss out on any future deals from thebeachshow.com.